Hey guys, you're watching Ices and Friends. Cut up your potatoes, cut up your bell pepper, cut up your onion, put it to the side. You're gonna wanna use 2 cups of water. Get you some black pepper, garlic powder, some type of seasoning salt, and you're gonna wanna season vigorously the potatoes once in the skillet. And you want to make sure you put your seasoning on within the first 3 to 4 minutes of your potatoes being in the skillet. And you want your potatoes and everything to cook down, because eventually you're going to need it to burn. Okay? And that's how you're going to get it crispy, is it has to burn, but you got to take your time with it. So if it looks too dry and it's burning a lot, then you might want to add more water, or you want to add more butter or some oil. And you always want to check your eye on your stove. Show you a picture. And make sure that it is to your liking, because the higher it is, the faster it's going to cook, which means it might burn faster. It's kind of like waiting. I don't want to say the word, but it's going to take some patience. But you're not going to be struggling through it once you learn how to do it, and you're going to be so happy. So you want to keep like a bubbling consistency for your potatoes for at least the first 20 minutes. So you're going to be adding water, letting it cook down, adding water, letting it cook down. And during the course of it, you'll flip it. But we'll do a recap just in case. You put all of your vegetables in, potatoes, onion, the bell pepper in. You season it within the first couple minutes, right? And you want to continue to add water or butter or both to help it cook down and start to get caramelized. So this meal takes about 45 minutes. And if you're not somebody that likes a lot of butter, you don't have to use a lot of butter. You can just put a few pieces in the beginning, like I demonstrated, to get it going, and then you can use water to cook it down. The butter or oil that you use does help with caramelization. So it's up to you what you use. And the whole point is to get it to look a certain way. It's going to look a certain way, and that's how you're going to know that it's done, okay?